The door is closed. Okay, I need to open everything. Still, but cover. Tatum's loading. On the other monitor, I need to get Obsidian to be on the other side. Right. Hey, Hayden. I can't see anything. Oh, there it is. Sorry. One window. Alright. Okay. Intro, outro. What was the other note? Clarify it's a basic attack cancel, which is why there's audio missing in this spot. Alright. That's the first thing. Let's see what the audio says right now. Basic attack canceling. Ungroup. Ungroup. Okay. The last thing I want to add is basic attack canceling in case our input system allows for that. Okay. Alright. And there's no screams, right? Okay. Great, there are no screams from my niece or nephew. Why are these separate? This is the audio cutting. Okay. Great, that's the end of tab note. So let me cross it off. This piece of paper. Okay. Okay. That's been made obvious. So I need an intro, an outro. I also need like all the content that goes after. What's the intro for this video? What's the title too, actually? Because I just saw a video that made me rethink what I want for the name of the video. Edit clip. They had a title. I can't undo my decisions. Great, wonderful. It's just wonderful. Okay. So they had a title like, "What goes in a punch?" Mm-hmm. I, for like current testing things, want the word code and attack, probably. What code goes in an attack? And then again, no, I don't know. Okay. What code goes in an attack? I think that's a nice one. Once again, center everything. Capitalize everything with 4 or more letters. Update title. I guess that works. What code goes in an attack? Something along those lines, maybe. Am I copying them too much? Maybe, but I am adjusting it to, focus on the code part. What attack has code? I don't know. It's just something. All right. So there's also not just the outro portion. I also want to do like some viewing of. Okay. All right. Uh, wait, what? Oh, it's because I deleted all the other files. Yeah, makes sense. Um, all right, so let me just record like a thing. Bonus code intent start or something. I love how I always just sound tired consistently. It's lovely. Like I've never learned what effort is. Like I don't know how to exert effort in my voice or enthusiasm. Okay, am I being called already? Okay, first off, Godot, but like the actual project. Okay, Alright, so what's the bonus content that I want to go over? First off, if you want to turn it into a character, create a press D. Um, this is not the script section. Okay, I'm getting a little shocked that like the formatting is still like plain text because it doesn't do that consistently. Also, I still have spelling mistakes, but all right. Okay, so for the bonus content, I want to show some of the character creation tools. Show a bit of attack data. Uh, and what kind of data is in there. What else could I show from like my attack system? Helper functions, yeah, helper functions. Uh, um, helper functions where I would add connections to other things. I'll bracket that like audio, stun, attack, where's hitbox? Hitbox area. Attack. Mm-hmm. Um, so those are the creation tools. Tool scripts. Some helper functions. Yeah, I'm gonna add connected to other things like audio and stun. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, alpha. Yeah, let me change this to like, what is it? What is it by default? 107. Oh my gosh. Why the hell am I using those colors? Numbers. Hitbox. Hitbox. That's Hurtbox Mini, I want Hurtbox. 100. 100. Okay. I think that'll make these a little better when I try to work with them. Big screens, big names, big box, big color, big color. Yeah, okay. That's fine. I'll do that some other day. Right, back to the attack tray and scripts. Adding a new attack. Wait, is it really just audio stun and that's it? Narrowed add actions to other things. Hmm. 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 Let me see. This needs to be changed. I believe this is unused, but I don't really know what it is. Okay. Is there anything else that's like system-wise? Animations are its own thing. Um, I could do frame by frame mode. That's actually feels really good. Uh, mhm. um, mode. So download functions and rename functions. Okay. Let me gather some screenshots then. I think it's on attack. Add new frame, reset all frames, rename frames. Did I just go with like function names? Uh, let me just get a decent number of screenshots. Okay, so, like before, take a photo, get that second line in there. Okay. Thanks to rename frames. Could go like this. I think that's how I do it. I don't remember. Wait, no, this is for the cancels. That's not to be covered here. Tag manager. I think these helper functions as well. Mhm. Where are these? Oh, I just hit in. Okay, there's a thing. Yeah. I think there's enough screenshots of just like things I could show them. Alright. And then let's go to the PowerPoint which I need to open. Darn it. Hide hidden files. Hobby, Go, fightvania. I didn't. Yes. Open it. World building. Draft slides. Attack tree. Navigating the file system. Okay. While I wait for it to load, I can move my scripting thing. My video script over to the right. Why is PowerPoint opening or is it Office and Press opening on the wrong window? No. Go back. Go back. Those are your top of. That's the idea. That works for me. Cool. Uh, close the file folder, I guess. Debug scripts. I have almost lost where I was. Right. Okay. It's more like a list of things. Verification tools, tool scripts, data of attack data. I did not grab the attack data. Helper functions. Where I might add connection to other things. Frame by frame mode. Okay, so I didn't grab attack data. So hitbox area. Active hitbox, which is where the attack data is. Attack data, where it actually is the script. Oh my goodness, this is so long. What the hell? I guess. I guess same problem. Yeah, we already the exact same problem. Okay. And now it's done typing this list. Right now it doesn't fit. 90%. Totally worth it. I don't need all of this. I think like probably the attack down what's in it is important enough. Mm, okay. I need to frame by frame mode. Turn to 100% place in the queue. Okay. And then in here, new slide, full screen this thing as well. And then I need this actually probably. Now I need to go to pictures, screenshots. So many screenshots. Awesome. Cool. All right. So, this is not happening. This was done. Uh, okay, new slide. Let's just make a new slide. This one will be okay, full scripts, only for the frame by frame mode. This one is the first image, so we'll just throw that in there. This is attack data, so we'll put it into new slide. Front covers a small amount, but not an insignificant, not a problematic amount. Just resize a little. That's just one image. This is the mess of things. Okay. Okay, this looks like just a bunch of. I thought I put no, I put this in the wrong spot. So I like just the get functions. Yeah, this one's frame, so you slide. Mm-hmm. What's this? So I put you on the left, and then I arrange you on top. You fit cleanly and nicely with tons of space. You could fit probably if there just wasn't a little bit of goat wide being a little long. Okay. You don't need all these, so I simply fit the. Let me do this with the this thing here. So tech manager. Those rips. Uh, Mm-hmm. It's on process frame, isn't it? No, I can't show this. I could just fix it, actually. But that's really important to put in my fix me stages of things. Physics process in frame 5 frame mode. Okay. Physics process. Okay, I guess. Knows processing behavior to check. No check priority, process priority. Mm, mm. I'll check if it is just done for corrected with Claude. Is this general inquiry or general inquiry fightvania? Seems like fightvania. Okay. Mm, mm. Why are you taking so long? I need the screenshots on it. What are you thinking? Why can't I read your thoughts? What happened to that? Oh my gosh. Come on. This is taking a while, surprisingly. Also, I got an email, so I might as well check it while this is taking forever. It might not even generate an output. Uh, Two unimportant emails. And 1 hour ago, our asset has been approved. Awesome. I can release that video or something. Okay, that's working. Yeah, let me just test it. No way. Where? Are you serious? Wait, have I removed testings from this? Okay. Ooh, okay. That's very bad. Hold on. Nothing's named an underscore. Wait, it's just because I have this. What are these paths? It's somewhere in the zoner. Probably in like enemy logic somewhere. Boss settings, enemy settings. Oh, it's two scripts with the same name. That's why. The stuff here shouldn't exist. I don't think they should. Let me verify that this has that same stuff already. Uh, C CPU, donors, and whatnot. What's that under? New org, entities and systems. CPU systems. Enemy settings exist, so this doesn't exist. In fact, that entire folder doesn't exist because it's just that one thing. Entities, agent player, play base character, agent player stuff. No, I know that's basic parts, so it doesn't need to exist either. Self-enabled. enemy logic. It's in the testing scene. It's one of these. And it's definitely you somewhere. Agent stats, enemy logic. That's because this just doesn't exist, and it should be for zoner and run it. Oh my goodness. This is broken in some ways. Oh, really? Oh, that's worse. Good. I swear, where the hell is this file? Wait, did it freaking crash? It should not be marked as stable. Okay, please work. Gosh darn. Okay. Frame by frame mode. It feels fine. Okay. I guess it's fine. And then these are, I think, the normal ones. Okay. Frame by frame mode seems to work. Okay. Uh, for a breakpoint in a debug scene, enter frame by frame mode and press frame forward while watching current detected frame or add a temporary print and continue with time shooting current exactly one per press, not two. That single observation would confirm the thing holds. Okay, Just want to verify that this line is right. Okay, back to taking the screenshot of this file. Save, adjust this, scroll back. Uh, mm, there. Close this. Go back to the PowerPoint and add the corrected screenshot. Why did I have to have that highlighted when I did it? Okay, great. So that's data frame by frame mode, this thing, this thing. These are helpers. Mm-hmm. Um, I just like throw these in. Got some tool scripts, uh, add things and fix the names of things. I've got helper functions to do to get specific data that I need. I've got, this is what attack data, this one should be probably like first. Mm-hmm. Frame by frame mode tool as well. Okay, where's the slide that just says bonus content? No, I guess it's missing. Alright, slide. Move that out of the way. Take the screenshots of everything I want to take a screenshot of. Okay. And then we need to do the file shenanigans. This one to this one is not correct. This one to this one. Just see only. Go to folders, move the multi-view out of the way, copy, godot games, fightvania, back to world building game 1 is wrong. No, I should be going to videos, not top one. I try to do things. I just the backup images. Add those four, go to Gaiden, import them and stuff. Okay. Awesome. These are not supposed to be here. That's not supposed to be here either, nor is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are correct. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom now. Okay, I am back. I haven't been drinking too much water during the streams. Maybe. I guess. So in order, we've got frame by frame mode tool, we've got the hitbox data and some functions to help like sort it. We've got the tool scripts to help rename and add things, which are pretty similar. And then a bunch of helper functions and like user. Alright, so let's just record the audio for that stuff. What is the first sentence I want to say? From that, I can do the rest probably by winging it. But like, the first sentence. Um, all right. The first sentence I want to say, all right, after bonus content, or just like, all right, I just think a few things I want to show people that you might be interested in. Mm, show that is a bit needed. The system is related, but are in my full system. Yeah. There are a few things I wanted to show that are a bit related to my. Uh, there are a few things that I want to show that are related, but are only in my full system. The first thing is just the frame-by-frame mode that I use for debugging my attacks. The first thing is a frame-by-frame mode that I use for debugging my attacks. Next thing is just like what the attack data looks like in the entirety. Um, Instead of just a damage number, I've got all these properties and then a few helper functions to sort those properties based on the attack type. I also have a bunch of helper functions to turn the attack system into a character creator with like adding specific nodes and renaming those nodes. And then lastly, in my attack manager, I have a lot of helper functions that just get specific information to make some lines of code shorter. But yeah, that's about everything I have in the video. Okay. All right, let's. All right. This is okay. All of this up, and then this is killed. Not to show, but also not go into a bunch of detail with. I want to clarify the character creator a little bit more, also these six should be grouped for sure. I also have a bunch of helper functions that turn the attack system into a character creator the, with a few buttons. Um, mhm. I also have a lot of helper functions that turn the attack system into a character creator as well. These just add frames or sprites or hitboxes or whatever node I need and renames them automatically at the press of a button. Okay. Somewhere in here. Right here. These just add whatever node I need. Okay. Okay. Mhm. 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 Good clips. Um, so let me record something here that's like a transition. Okay. So that's the attack system at its most basic form. Um, there'll be another video soon. There'll be another video eventually. That's how I built my basic attack system. I got a little bit more bonus content. If I want to transition. First, I need to end the sentence. And I have a few related things that are in my full system. Um, yeah. That's it for the main portion of the video. I have some extra content here just for related things. But thank you for watching. If you want to leave, no, actually, don't say thank you for watching. The moment I say that sentence, that I don't. Yeah, I'm concerned. Uh, related systems. And that's the most basic attack system that I could think of for fighting games. I don't know. It's that's it for the main portion of the video. That's it for the main portion of the video. I have a few related systems that we can look at from my main project as well, in case you're curious about some of the things you can add to this. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Main portion is I have a few things that are in my full system. Um, This is for the main portion of my video. I have a few things for my full system. That's it for the main portion of the video. I have a few things that I want to show that are in my full system that we will go. I have a few things. And if you are interested in, you can look. Look. But it won't be in detail. Not intestine. Interested. Great. You got it correct word this time. Denial instead of detail. Man, the amount of spelling mistakes I make could be its own video. Alright. Feel free to take a look, but if you're interested in, feel free to take a look, but will not be in detail. Be in detail, just a quick look. Feel free to stay and take a short look. I think that works. It was a good sentence. Alright. The record button, please. Yeah. that's it for the main video. I have a few things from my full system that if you're interested in, feel free to stay and take a short look. Don't want to use the word thanks for watching. Um, duplicate clip, edit clip. No, I want to edit clips. Edit clip. Right, it's gonna be annoying to move that. Okay. Outro. I need an actual outro that works and is good and stuff. Uh, mm. Also, that approval went by very fast. Um, oh yeah, I need to ask a friend to do a thing. I need to now send messages to my friends. Great, no, none of those photos. Okay, okay. I need a favor. Can you install godot? Okay, I need a favor. Can you install godot and do you have time at some point for like 20 minutes? So I'm gonna ask them to help me out with just testing the asset library publication, which I should put in the Google Doc as well. Doc, Google. Wait, I can simply go to my YouTube channel. Is it here? Dashboard? No. Da-da-da-da. Hey, wait. That jump from like 81 to 89 in a day? Here's, take this document link. Okay, as the person who has ownership of the file, I can edit it. Godot asset library. Okay, awesome. 3 notifications. Wait, did it get rejected again? What? My uploads? Wait, okay. Sorry, setting, no, support. My tickets. These have been closed. Okay, cool, cool, cool. New message. Alright. My library. Sorry, my uploads. This thing. Um, mhm. Okay. So it seems to be up. I don't actually know this is like, let me search this thing up. It comes up as an actual name if you type in fight. Oh, no. Um, also, GNU3 license is not here. Okay. CPU. Yeah, my thing's not gonna come up. FGC. Search. I should update the tag. My uploads. Management dashboard. Page is. Where's there? I just wanted to like change the tags or add tags. Yeah, tags. FGC. Okay. What other tags would make sense for this? I don't have character creator. The fact that I did not have one there actually concerns me. Save. If I could spell right. It shows up. It's not actually garbage in the search results. Yay! I'm happy about that. Yay! Yay! Okay. Outro. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you want to support this project, uh, like, sub comment type or whatever. I should also ask, not just one friend, but like a few friends. Um, like Subcon, Hype, or whatever else there is. Dude decides, right, engage. Uh, Thanks for watching. If you want to support this project, engage or subscribe. I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe, or contribute. Okay. Um. We got more videos. I recommend the input system video. If you want to support this project, click on subscribe or contribute. Feel free to watch or watch. You can also share. Share, like, subscribe, or contribute. You can also watch any of my other videos. Share this open source project. Any of my other videos. Here's my good. And look forward to part 2, where I will go over canceling. I say canceling. Over to the attack cancel video. I don't know if I should say anything about the next video. Ideally, you steal my code and make your own game. You legally Ideally, you legally steal my code and make your own game. I don't know. See ya. Okay. Uh, I think the end code just like it says steal my code. Yes, that would be great. Hmm. I also need to do a watch through of this video for the most part to get the audio and like spacing gaps like this need to be dealt with probably. Like what's happening here? What yeah, I was like, that's plus. Wait, that's game? What the? Oh, yeah, this was just quiet. Okay, is this like good? For thanks for watching. If you want to support this open source project, like share, like, subscribe, or contribute. You can also watch any of my other videos. Ideally, you can legally steal my code and make your own game. Ideally, you make your own game. Ideally, you make your own game. Hmm. I need to ask friends for help with this. Should I just run with this? Also, maybe I should try to like take a style from one of those shorts YouTubers that I see for fighting games because he's got like an interesting style for the start of a video. Um, could I do it in PowerPoint? Probably not. It would be a mix of like a bit of a video recording plus a bit of a punch. But he also removes the UI, which is I think that might be a setting. I don't know. Hmm. Oh, I could record the Xbox clips instead of like through OBS, but with like Xbox Capture, and then use that for things. Hmm. Okay. Um, I also don't know the intro, so for intro, maybe copy another as style a little, learn, of course. Mhm. Feel free to take my code. No, not ideally. Feel free. Feel free to take my code to make your own game. Anything else? I think that's just the intro, so I'll just go back. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you want to support this open source project, share, like, subscribe, or contribute. You can also watch any of my other videos. Feel free to take my code and make your own game too. Bye bye. Masalama. And then I need to clip it's just edit. You also need to move this up. Links in the description. Link in the Google Doc in the description. Links inside of the Google Doc that's in the description. Or you can find them. You can find the links inside of the Google Doc that's in the description. Yeah, that's there you go. Stretch it out for 9 minutes. Can I get away with more? I don't know. That's like that's almost 10 seconds of just no speech. What is going on outside? Oh shit, the big truck. Why is it so loud? Why can I hear it so clearly through the glass and my headphones? My gosh. Trucks need to calm down. Okay, intro. Yeah, that's gonna need some R&D. Okay. Uh, anything else that's left that I need to care about right now that I can do in 10 minutes? I guess I can try. Like, what would I say for the one style where I say, like, the code? Alright, okay. When I press a button, not to attack, and I press a button and want to attack, how does that actually work? When I press a button and want to attack, uh, What actually happens underneath? What acutely happens underneath? I have a funny video idea where it's just I do a video and I keep all of the spelling mistakes and oh my goodness, it would be terrible, but I think it would be funny. Um, oh no. Oh no. Or I autocorrect it to the wrong word. Uh, that sounds like a great fun joke video. Thanks for watching your aquarium of what is the high-pitched beeping? Is that a bird or a car? Mm. When I press a button and want to attack, what actually happens underneath? Mm, hmm. What does the code do? How does it decide everything? Hey, no, we don't. Hmm. How to test the attack? Is there a misconception that I could use? I don't know. I also don't have an A plot, B plot here for this thing. We should do it more with like, okay, A plot is code, B plot is visuals, A plot is code, B plot is visuals the entire way through. This video is not that. This video is all visuals stacked at the beginning, and then. Mhm. When I press that attack button, what actually happened to you? I don't know. I don't know if this intro sentence is good. I should save everything. You need to do the git cleanup. Wait, even the things with like 0 likes are getting above the stuff with 1 like? Is it cause relevant? Okay, yeah, relevance. Uploaded, updated, newest first, updated, oldest first. Reviews highest score first. Okay. Okay, created newest first. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. FGC. I'm guessing nothing. Wait, really? Sorry, relevance. DER anti-cheat. What the hell is this? And who are you? What do you make? What is this? A CRT shader. Oh gosh, no, no thank you. That's going to not be used for my project right now, and I don't want to dive into another rabbit hole. But it sounds cool. If I need a CRT thing. Alright, also I'd like to pre-bake everything. what extensions and stuff do you have now? Um, cool that it's not like a forced thing. Anyways, yeah, I think I'll end 5 minutes early today, I guess. Even though it was late, like 1 minute. My brain's just like done. See ya tomorrow. 7 minutes early.